First of all, I want to thank everybody for sticking around till the end of today's program. I think it was an excellent meeting. Again, really want to thank our supporters from industry who have really made this possible. And I hope everybody here has spent some time looking at all the displays in the periphery of this room. If not, I still think we have lots of time for that. I have the privilege today of presenting what I think is, such a new and innovative effort from MOASC. It's the MOASC Young Investigator Award. We're really trying to do our best as a society to bring the next generation of oncologists into the fold. And a big part of that is making sure that you have the support and resources that you need to kickstart your career. I really want to thank AVEO Pharmaceuticals. I don't know if Angela Shakespeare is here and can maybe join me here in the front. Would you mind, Angela? It was actually at this meeting about 3 years ago that Angela and I sat down at a table with the CEO of AVEO Pharmaceuticals, Michael Bailey, and we discussed the prospect of starting this award. And I'm so grateful to you and so grateful to Michael and the whole team at AVEO for really getting behind the next generation of scholars. It's a simple proposal. We issue this RFP every year, and we hope that we're going to be able to do this for many years to come. AVEO has very kindly put forth a 3-year pledge, and we're in the 2nd year of that. And essentially, we ask for a basic premise of the research project, methods, potential pitfalls, and a lot of this hinges on the potential mentee having a terrific mentor to support their body of work. In this case, we're very, very pleased to present the 2025 MOASC Young Investigator Award, named in honor of Cary Presant, the founder of MOASC, to Dr. Peter Zang from City of Hope. Peter? Just a little background on Peter. I know quite a bit about him. So he's a phenomenal fellow at City of Hope. He actually did his residency at USC, and he would actually spend the wee hours of the night working with my partner and boss, Dr. Tanya Dorff, who's a prostate cancer specialist there. Since starting his fellowship, he's been incredibly prolific. Many of you may have seen this terrific first authored JAMA Oncology article that he has looking at tumor mutational burden in patients with advanced prostate cancer. He's written a number of ISTs. He's actually authored a number of translational studies. He's received a number of merit awards from ASCO and other societies. And so we're really proud of what you've accomplished so far. And we wanted to give you an opportunity for you to tell us a little bit about the grant and what this will support.
Yeah, of course. So I'm really honored to get this YIA award. I just want to say this is my first one, and I'm so excited to have it. And I've applied actually to many YIA awards as well, and this is to the trainees in the room that, sometimes you have to keep working at it, but the hard work does pay off. And I think for me, thank you. And I think for me, this is a huge opportunity since as a young investigator, I think one of the huge barriers is getting the funding for our projects. I think a lot of us young investigators, we have great ideas, but unfortunately, sometimes we don't have the funding or the resources to do so. So I'm extremely grateful to have this opportunity. And I'm glad that this is a part of an initiative to continue this going, because I do think out of these YIA awards, we'll get new innovative ideas. And basically, these ideas will maybe the ones that will transform the cancer treatment landscape, since a lot of these ideas, you never know, they can become the next big thing. And ultimately, the goal here is to help our patients because they inspire us to do what we do every day. So thank you.
Great job, congratulations. Now, to the next set of awards that we're going to give out. As you guys know and have seen here at the exhibit hall, in conjunction with a lot of the booths where our pharma partners have been setting up shop, we've had a number of amazing original research provided by residents and medical students along the side of this area, and we want to acknowledge the hard work that they put in into their work. And so we have compiled an award for the residents as well as for medical students for their original contributions here. So we want to acknowledge them. So I'm going to just name out our award winners, our top 3 award winners. So our first award going to the residents/fellows will be going out to Pranita Shah. Pranita? Thank you very much. Thank you. Very good. Come on over here. Second, we want to acknowledge Dr. Farzad Taimouri from Eisenhower Medical Center. Thank you. Okay, and our last resident fellow winner is Dr. Jeffrey Zhang from Harbor UCLA. And now, we want to acknowledge the students here who've also have made, they're starting their careers, they're learning more about oncology, and this is really the future. These are people who are very interested in going into this field, and I think it's a great way to get started. So there were several, and I want to just acknowledge the top 3 that we selected here. The first is Sonia Morales. Second is Talia Wenger. And lastly, Albert Lee. So I really want to thank once again all of the presenters here for our poster presentations. They have all done an amazing job, and so thank you. The next thing that we'd like to do here at MOASC, and we were all very saddened to hear about the sudden loss of our leader for so many years, our friend, colleague, my mentor, Dr. Warren Fong. Dr. Fong really motivated me to become more active in MOASC, and I was just out of fellowship when I started participating on the board at MOASC, and it was because of his guidance, our conversations, that I became more active within this organization to really try to help, bring some new energy into it, and he was always my biggest champion. And what Dr. Fong had really stressed to all of us here at MOASC was that our youth is our future. And so what we've really been trying to do as a result of his influence has been to try to promote the education, the growth, the development of our students, medical students, residents, fellows, who are going to be leaders in this field moving forward. So, a lot of what you are seeing here now is really an acknowledgement of his leadership, his guidance, and his hard work. And so Dr. Fong's family is here today, his wife, Mei Fong, and I wanted to provide, on behalf of MOASC, an acknowledgement, an award in his honor. And I don't know if you can come up and... I still hear Dr. Fong laughing in the background here, so he's still very much with us. So This concludes our event, and now please stick around. We'd love for everyone to continue to chat, network, and to enjoy the last moments that we have here together. Thank you so much, and we look forward to having all of you next year.